Hello, in this presentation we will talk about what will be covered in the bank reconciliation portion of the course. We will be doing bank reconciliations for the 2 months of operations we have done thus far. The bank reconciliations are going to be a very critical component to the internal controls of the company. If you would like to practice the bank reconciliation, it would be good to get a good idea of what a bank reconciliation and practice how to do them within QuickBooks. In order to do that, you could work through the problem to this point and then do the bank reconciliations. But if you want to jump to the bank reconciliations or rework the bank reconciliations a few times, you could use the backup files in order to restore to a closer point to this point where we do the bank reconciliations and then practice those bank reconciliations using that data and be able to practice them a few different times. We're going to provide a very real example of the bank reconciliation, looking at an actual bank statement rather than just telling you to check off a few items, and comparing that to what we have within QuickBooks and seeing how you actually check everything off, and then what the bank reconciliation does, what QuickBooks does in order to generate that bank reconciliation. We'll have a bank reconciliation for the first month of operations. That's going to have its own little problems in it when it's our first month of operations. We'll discuss what those first month of operation bank reconciliation problems are, and then we'll have the second month of operations, which will be more normal. That'll be more of a normal process. Once we get that first month going, the process of reconciling the bank accounts is much easier, but the second month has its own kind of issues and problems. So the two bank reconciliations together, first and second month, give us a good idea of the process of starting up a new company, putting in that first month of operations, and then going forward to the normal process of reconciling the bank accounts.